Hi, I'm Sean Like, President and CEO of ICC International, world's leading manufacturer of commutators and slip rings. Most likely, you're used to seeing Laura doing these videos. Sadly, as many of you know, Laura passed away unexpectedly in December from a cardiac arrest. Our company and our industry lost a true friend and trailblazer. Laura joined ICC in the mid-90s, and I started in '98. She took over ownership of the company in 2003, and we've been growing and improving ever since. We all miss her tremendously, but we're more determined than ever to carrying on the legacy that Laura started.
Laura developed an incredible leadership team that has been together for well over a decade. We've built a deep understanding of our clients' needs and know that by working together, we make our industry stronger. By investing in research and development, by using the best materials on the market, we are building the best commutator that you and your client can depend on. We're experiencing incredible growth. It's a record year. We're hiring additional staff, and we're in the process of another plant expansion. We are so excited about the direction that we're going.
2023 marks 40 years in business for ICC International. And throughout that time, we've built a reputation for manufacturing the highest quality commutators, slip rings, and distributing GE parts throughout the world. In fact, roughly 50% of our business is international, shipping throughout the world into nearly every continent, including North and South America, Asia, Australia, and Africa.
You know, Laura really loved everything about the ISO organization, but especially this conference. She not only saw it as a unique way to open up communications, but also as a way to share knowledge with industry professionals and peers. And she really saw that as a way to better our entire organization. As many of you know, we always have a specialty cocktail at our booth. And this year, it's named the Bishop, which is in honor of Laura. That happens to be her maiden name. It's a white wine spritzer that has a little something extra in it. So be sure to stop by, say hello to everyone, and let's do a toast to Laura.
From our family to yours, we would like to express our sincere appreciation. Thank you for your continued support and for all the kind words over the last few months. It truly means the world to us. Thank you for your business, your partnership, and most of all, your friendship.
I'd like to invite you to stop by booth 800 and say hello to the ICC team. Let's have a great show.